$10,000 bird.
This is, oh my goodness, this is a $10,000 bird. Can you turn around a little bit so we can see the bird? Wow.
He likes the hair.
That is something else. So, that color is absolutely beautiful. So, why is this bird $10,000?
They just don't have about one a year. And
One a year. I mean, it's beautiful. The color is just absolutely.
called a hyacinth macaw.
This is a hyacinth macaw, and this is
Robert Dawsey, best start pet.
Robert what?
Dawsey, best start pet.
Right, and you're from?
Midway, Georgia, near Savannah, Georgia.
Oh, near Savannah, Georgia. So, how long have you been doing this?
About 15 years.
15 years. So what is it that you love about doing this? Do you love the color of the birds, the beauty of the birds, or what?
Just the beauty of the birds.
If you do this, you can zoom in and out.
The birds talking.
Yeah.
Look at what was on Mama.
So is this the rarest bird you have?
It's the rarest one.
You gotta watch
Other than this bird, what is your favorite bird? Besides this bird?
Alright, I'm here.
I say
Watch
Amazon.
good. Back to.
Amazon?
Oh, I'm sorry.
So,
I'm sorry.
well.
Don't bite your finger
And
off.
the mini macaw.
And the mini macaws? And this bird is how old?
5 months old.
5 months. Oh, well, he's so tiny. He's so sweet. I mean, that's amazing. Look, he's just a little baby.
They generally keep a good attitude.
Oh, okay. Now, do they learn to talk?
Yeah.
And where do they originate from?
There's JJ.
Let me see if you know.
This look. There's JJ.
Hey, you want body, right?
Brazil.
Brazil. Ah.
He washed his hands.
Okay.
Say hi.
Oh, look.
I want to keep the eyes here. Showing hi. Oh, he's so sweet. Pet him. You did to wash the back too.
But it's amazing he's so good around that
You
little
see him wash
boy.
his hands?
Yeah.
Oh. So he had to wash his hands because you have to be very...
Coffee.
Oh, look. Look at the bird.
very good.
Let me get, oh, that is so sweet. She's a lovely bird. Oh. Oh.
Oh, that tickles.
Oh.
Oh, you're sweet.
Oh.
What is it?
Oh.
You like my face for some reason. What?
Yeah, they like the mouth and the ear and
Oh,
the
do they?
eyes and the
Okay, Mama.
nose.
Oh, look at that.
If you're gonna be scared, back up. You're holding on, aren't you? Yeah, you're holding on. I don't have to worry about you.
Oh.
He likes your hair, Bo.
Oh, look, he's looking right at that.
Say hi.
He's a star.
Hello.
Hello. He's a star.
I want him.
You want him?
You want him? So, okay, you need to sell out $10,000?
He's already sold.
He is. Oh,
How's he
wow.
already sold?
Huh?
Somebody bought him since you've been here?
No, he sold about 3 months ago.
Oh, but he's too young to go yet.
Yeah.
Oh, my
Where
goodness.
can he go?
Well, you have to hand feed them up to a year old.